What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Jada. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, join the crew. Hey Jada, how you doing? As you can tell by the title of this video, it is a hair tutorial. Y'all just gonna watch me try something new on my hair. So if you want to know how I got this cute hairstyle, I got in a tint of color in the back. Knotless. The knotless is not knotless in right now, but chill on me. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the whole video. Y'all, so this is what my hair looks like when it's freshly washed and blow dry. This is the stuff that I'll be using. Everything's gonna be linked in the description box down below, so pause if you need to take a screenshot if needed. But yeah, so this is what I'll be using, and I'm gonna cut the hair in half because I don't want it too long. Yes, it is 3 a.m. I don't know why I'm doing this, but we about to see how it comes out. I'm not gonna hold y'all. The back of my head, I did not do knotless braids. I did regular box braids because clearly y'all can see the back of my head is shorter than the top or anywhere else, so the hair couldn't stay. Like I was bald headed in the back. So this is me cutting out the pieces of hair that I don't need because I don't want it so long. And I like the size of the braids. I like the size of the parts. Hair now, clearly I was about to just go to sleep because my arms hurting, everything hurting. But your girl got to do what your girl got to do. Y'all know when you do your hair for yourself or somebody else, like a close friend does your hair, and the back of your head is always wonky. Yeah. Who cares though? Not I. So you can clearly see where my natural hair ends and the braid literally gets thinner, but no one's seeing that. Like no one's gonna be close to my head. So it is 5 something in the morning, and why am I looking for edges that I don't have? Anyway, so I'm parting my head and boom, moment of silence. I am balding in the middle of my head. Like I need to stop parting my hair there, and look what I'm doing, parting it some more. Anywho, I'm just trying to thug it out and just get this hair done. Yes, real nappy. I don't know what it is with my hair, but you know what? Let's just thank God for the growth. Y'all, just look at the growth. Chop, 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 chop. Nobody want to see that piece of brown. Anyways, but y'all see how much my hair grown from my big chop? Okay, so it's somewhere in between 8 and 9 p.m. I do not know what time it is, I swear to you, but just look at the sunlight. I know y'all peep the sunlight in the corner there. But yeah, my hair is looking really nice. I'm not gonna hold you. I almost did not put the beads in because I like when my hair looks like this, like look really natural. Like I want to go outside and people say, oh my god, your hair is so natural, so long. But this is me taking snaps and TikToks and da 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 da. I'm just adjusting the size, the length of the braids that I want to fall for me. So yeah, just watch me do that. I am now close to the finish line, and I'm this close to a boarding mission. Like, I just want to rip off the beads that I already have in and just call it a day, do my edges, and just walk out the house. But I cannot. But anyways, look how cute I look. Yes, ma'am. Almost done. Finished. Hip, hip, hooray. Now I'm about to put the mousse on because I got a lot of flyaways, and the braids on top are, like, sticking up. And it looked like I got my hair done last month. So yeah, we're gonna tackle that. So that's that. And after I finish putting on my favorite head tie, I'm gonna wait till it dries. Now that I'm back, I thought it was dry. Psych, nah. So I'm gonna just rub my fingers through it and then spray my pink spray on it to make it a little shiny. I don't even know what the purpose is, but it smells good. This is an edge booster that I used on my edges recently. I'm not gonna hold you. I did not even know how to do my edges. Like I usually do the swoop. But I just feel like doing something extra today. I don't know. I was very much confused on what I was doing, but very eager to finish. I don't even know what I was doing. Like, I swear to y'all, I don't know what I was doing, but it worked. Whatever it was, it worked. It's looking like something. Let me know in the comments below if I did too much. But I don't know. I feel like it's cute. Yeah. But yes, y'all, this is the finished look. I like it, or whatever. I will be making a separate video to this one, showing you guys different styles you can do with this knotless bead short style. The braids are really cute. Let me give you a real slow 360 right now. The part's crooked, I know. Don't do me. I can't go no more. So let's get into the juicy information. I used 2 packs. Really and truly is one. So 1 pack of beads. They're clear and silver. I mixed that in there. It's gonna be in the description down below. The hair also is gonna be in the description box. Everything's gonna be in the description box down below. The hair, the edge control, the jam, the beads. If I didn't get something from my beauty supplies to hair store, I got it from Amazon. Everything is down below, along with my social media. Go ahead and follow me on all my social medias down below. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.